Leetcode daily challenge. It is a medium problem 1 to 62. Greatest sum divisible by 3. To find out the maximum possible sum, we want to add these elements into the sum as many as we can. So first of all, I want to sort this given array in reverse order because I want to start from the bigger numbers. Second thing we have to notice that all these natural numbers can be split into three groups. Say group 0, which is if this number modulo 3 is 0. And group 1, say the remainder is 1. And group 2 and 2. Since we want to add as many numbers as we can into this total sum, the group 0 is perfect. No matter how many we added into the sum, it won't affect the result. It will be always divisible by 3. But when it's come to group 1 and group 2, whenever there are 3 of them, it will be safe to be added into this total sum because 1 times 3 is 3, 2 times 3 is 6. It will be safe to add into the sum, and the final result is still divisible by 3. Based on this, what I want to do is I'm gonna have a few, like a queue or 2 queues. One for group 1, one for group 2, to save 3 numbers. And that means once we have some kind of sum, there are gonna be a few combinations for the final result. Say, for example, we can have all these 6 numbers added into the sum, or we can have 4 of these 6 numbers added to this sum, or maybe 2 numbers added into sum. Anyway, the total number of combination of these 2 length of 3 array is 4 by 4, which is 16. That would be the combination. It's reasonable. I can just do it manually to check if they are divisible by 3 or not, and then pick up the biggest number, which gonna be the maximum possible sum for this array. That's the approach to solve this problem. Next part is gonna be coding only. Feel free to fast forward.